which is enhanced for the electrified driving experience. The big difference here is that Focus Electric doesn't use a single drop of gas. It's powered entirely by a liquid-cooled 23 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. And with the instant torque of the electric motor, a top speed of 84 miles per hour, and a responsive suspension, this is a fun car to drive. Focus Electric will deliver comparable range to the competition with a special focus on efficiency. We used our knowledge from 2 generations of hybrid electric vehicles to enhance Focus Electric's range, efficiency, through regenerative braking. As a matter of fact, a careful driver can reclaim up to 94% of the energy that would otherwise be lost in braking. Now, we also optimized every system in this vehicle. We ensure that it would be the most electron-efficient vehicle. In addition to using the latest technology for the battery and the electric motor and the rest of the powertrain, which most of these components are over 90% efficient, as you can see, we've also put a front end, a unique grille with improved aero. We use lightweight wheels that are more aerodynamic, and we have optimized the control system to ensure maximum efficiency. We also use LED tail lamps, and we use low rolling resistance tire to improve efficiency. A lot of attention to detail. But efficiency isn't the only thing that makes Focus Electric green. We look for every opportunity to use sustainable materials wherever possible. For example, the seats in this car are made from 100% recycled material. We even use recycled blue jeans in the insulation that we use under this car. But here's the big difference between us and the competition, and what will prove to be a key factor in electric car ownership: charge time. Focus Electric uses a 6.6 kilowatt charger, which enables a best-in-class at-home charge time of just over 3 hours. This is using 240-volt charge station that most customers can install in their garage. That's half the time that it takes our competitors to charge up. Half the time. What do you guys think? Now, this is going to give our customers much more freedom around town, especially as the charging infrastructure improves. Now, for example, think about this. You go to the mall, you're shopping for an hour, you plug in this car, and in 1 hour, you've just charged a third of this battery. Now, this could be over 30 miles of driving, depending on your driving style. Now, imagine how appealing it would be to charge your smartphone, which most of us are carrying, in half the time that it takes you today. Imagine the competitive advantage that that phone manufacturer would have. Now, we also worked hard to ensure that the charging this Focus would be just as simple and familiar as charging your phone. Owners will simply plug in their Focus Electric when they get home each night, or as I mentioned, during a visit to the mall, and it's ready to go when they are. Now, clearly there's much more to this car than just a motor and a battery. What we're really unveiling today at CES is a holistic vehicle ownership experience, something you won't see from any other manufacturer, and you'll see that in a minute. As I mentioned earlier, it's not only about a great electric car from Ford. We are reinventing the automotive ownership experience for our customers by connecting them to the car and connecting the car to the home. Here to tell you how we've enhanced our My Ford Touch system for the electrified vehicle owner, please welcome our Manager of EV Electronics, Amy Garvey.
We designed Focus Electric to provide more range at full charge than most Americans will use each day. But rather than minimize the realities of battery range and the need